Welcome to another exciting episode on auto vehicles, where we bring you the most luxurious, powerful, and futuristic machines the auto world has to offer. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular, a blend of elegance, performance, and innovation on wheels. Get ready as we explore the luxury motorhomes of 2026, and this time, it's from none other than Rolls Royce. Yes, you heard that right, the iconic British marque best known for its ultra-luxury sedans has entered the motorhome game. And as you might expect, it's a complete game changer. Rolls-Royce has long been the symbol of luxury, precision engineering, and unmatched prestige. But in 2026, they've taken their philosophy of excellence to an entirely new level by unveiling the Rolls Royce Motorhome, a mobile palace that defies the conventions of both RVs and super-luxury automobiles. This isn't just a vehicle. It's an experience, a status symbol, and a futuristic retreat all rolled into one. From the outside, the Rolls Royce Motorhome is instantly recognizable. It carries the majestic design language we've come to expect: sleek lines, an authoritative grille, signature LED lighting, and of course, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy ornament standing proud on the hood. The body itself is crafted using aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber for both durability and reduced weight, without compromising on the feel of substance and grandeur. With a two-tone paint finish that changes hue depending on light angle, and 26-inch alloy wheels that are both polished and practical, it commands attention everywhere it goes. Under the hood, power meets refinement. Rolls-Royce has outfitted this motorhome with a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, combining a 6.75-liter V12 engine with electric motors for seamless torque and near-silent propulsion. It delivers over 700 horsepower and a top speed of 155 miles per hour, electronically limited. While most people won't be racing motorhomes, the point is, this beast has no trouble overtaking on highways or handling steep mountain roads. And thanks to its adaptive air suspension, the ride is always serene, even on rugged terrain. Now let's step inside, and this is where the magic truly unfolds. Open the electronically controlled gullwing doors or step through the main side entry, and you are greeted by an interior that rivals five-star hotel suites. Rolls-Royce calls it the Sanctuary Suite, and once you're in, it's easy to see why. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Think hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, crystal accents, and ambient lighting designed by expert mood consultants. Every surface you touch is soft, every button has a weighted feel, and every corner is meticulously finished. There's no compromise on comfort. A fully retractable living area with a panoramic glass roof opens up to the skies above, transforming the space into a lounge by day and a stargazing den by night. You'll find a gourmet kitchen equipped with a touch-screen induction cooktop, integrated espresso machine, a wine chiller, and concealed storage for fine china. Across from that is a dining area with adjustable marble tabletops, surrounded by plush leather seating. All of it is controlled via voice commands or the Rolls-Royce tablet system provided to every passenger. At the rear, you'll find a full master suite complete with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, bespoke linens, and an integrated media wall. The ensuite bathroom is clad in Italian marble, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a touchless toilet system. The entire motorhome is powered by a solar-enhanced battery grid and a smart energy management system, ensuring maximum off-grid independence without losing luxury. But what truly sets this Rolls-Royce motorhome apart is the attention to detail and personalized features. Buyers can customize everything, from the fragrance of the interior to the embroidered patterns on the headrests. You can even choose themed interiors like London Mayfair, Dubai Mirage, or Aspen Frost, each bringing its own unique blend of colors, textures, and lighting moods. Entertainment is state-of-the-art as well. There's a 4K holographic projector system, Dolby Atmos sound, satellite streaming, and high-speed 6G connectivity that ensures you're always online. For business travelers, there's also a private office suite that can be concealed behind a motorized panel, complete with encrypted video calling and a smart desk. Security hasn't been overlooked either. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome features biometric locks, remote surveillance, a panic button system, and satellite tracking. Whether you're parked in a quiet forest or a crowded festival, peace of mind is always part of the package. So what does this rolling masterpiece cost? As you'd expect, exclusivity comes at a price. The base model of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at $2.9 million. But with customization and add-ons, most units sold are reportedly priced between $3.50 to $4.2 million. It's not just a vehicle, It's a statement of success, an escape pod for the ultra-elite, and a new definition of how we view luxury travel. Rolls-Royce has once again rewritten the rules. This 2026 luxury motorhome isn't just about going places. It's about arriving in absolute style, comfort, and distinction. It's the future of travel, tailored for those who accept nothing less than the best. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the world of extreme luxury on wheels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive reviews right here on Auto Vehicles. Until next time, keep driving in style.